Kari India bro kawe ka kanmau burom ya ukpa ka jaj benru Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi lani Mahatma Gandhi ya ka jingsha yap jongu na kabanta kari bar ka jaj benru kumjuru na kabanta ki kam ki babhabat basbun jongu na kabanta ki pangyang lengkut kumta ka Central Leprosy Division hapo ka National Leprosy Eradication Program kalajit ya ka lifeway terik ukula lengkot kum ka anti Leprosy Day Nadu usnem ar hajar khat nyeu ter kane kasngi ka lai poetrik la jupen long ya ki jing ai jing hikai kumno ban yada bat ban rat ding khong ya kane ka jajing pang ka baki khot ka sparse leprosy awareness campaign ka balai US no kti langro da ki jai nyam ba pher ha ka jing etre langro bat ka village health sanitation committee kum sibenta ban rakhe ya kane kasngi ka district leprosy society Ribhoi district kala pynlong ya ka sparse leprosy awareness campaign ar hajar arpho ha Shantivan leprosy colony nongpo ha kane ka program la wan ban ya simenta da district medical health officer Ribhoi district Dr. M Mauri ikong RM kurba deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district MLA ka nongpo constituency uba meral bon sim lembat kiwi ki officer bat ki sister jong ka Shantivan colony.
The nation commemorates the martyrdom of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who, in addition to the great work that he had done for the country, had immensely contributed to the welfare of the people affected with leprosy. The Central Leprosy Division, under the National Leprosy Eradication Program, has observed the 30th of January as the Anti-Leprosy Day. And from the year 2017 onwards, this special day is followed by an awareness campaign called Sparse Leprosy Awareness Campaign, which is continued for 2 weeks in all the villages of the country in collaboration with the Village Health and Sanitation Committee.
If we know things are different, the problem is that most of us, we jump to conclusion without understanding the reason, without understanding the whole picture. Okay, and the word that spread by mouth, I mean, like suspicious. We all grow up in a society, close-knit society. So whatever we say gets passed on very fast. And if we are well-informed society, this will kind of deter us to pass on fake news. Especially nowadays, we see we are living in a world of social media. We should use the social media on a good perspective, in the sense that it can pass our message very fast. So what we need right now is to have good IEC material so that we can pass on to people to do away with the superstitious and to do away with all the stigma that comes along with this particular diseases. I mean, the idea that we have a colony, and you see there's no villages around, kind of very depressing for all of us, and therefore we should kind of really educate people to come forward to visit this place and find out for themselves.
Of us, same human being, and we are happy that this place has produced, and we would like to say thank you to all the sisters for dedication. All of you also know that you left your home, your loved one, you are here to serve these people who need your help. Same time, today as we are here for this awareness campaign, so that it should go on, we wish all the best for the health department, from the district level, at the state level, and then Dr. Ranong as the consultant of NLVP Northeast, so that you can work together. Any issue, anything from all sides also, let us put our heads together to work so that we can eradicate and eliminate leprosy. Health department has been associated. We are happy to see from time to time the dedication put by all of you. We have seen the eradication or elimination of polio, we have seen, and then through different vaccination like measles, rubella, and so on, has been done in the past. We appreciate, hats off to all the staff of the health department who have been working tirelessly day and night to see that our very own friends or people of the state it could have a good health in future. So many people who used to go to Umden market, they scared to have anything in Umden market because of leprosy, because of this young people. They used to carry their own tiffin, they used to carry their own water because they feared that this disease will get infected to them. So they used to carry their own when they go to Umden market. So this is the narrative going on that time. And we are happy that the health department have worked out through that. We have seen nowadays slowly, if not eliminate, also eradicate, slowly it has been eradicated. And now we are here in this place. We have seen so many inmates here who have become from a different background, from different family, from different villages, from different states, from all over, gathered here. At this very point, I would like to give thanks to all the sisters through this missionary of charity, which has been associated with our Mother Teresa, Saint Mother Teresa, who has dedicated her life to fulfill the dream of so many people who have been isolated by the society. We remember her good work. We remember how she left her home, the loved and dear one, and come to India, settled in Kolkata, and then serve those poor and needy children, beggars in the street, at the same time to serve the people who have leprosy, whom everybody did not want to associate themselves. But we are glad that this kind of a great personality has come up. Until now also, we have seen this place which is very much here to serve these very people, all friend of ours, same human being. And we are happy that this place it has produced, and we would like to say thank you to all the sisters for dedication. All of you also know that you left your home, your loved one, you are here to serve these people who need your help. At the same time, today as we are here for this awareness campaign, so that it should go on, we wish all the best for the health department, for right from the district level, at the state level, and then Dr. Ranong as the consultant of NLVP Northeast.